If you're wondering how to export data from Monday.com, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you everything you need to know about exporting data from Monday.com, and I'll even share some alternatives you might want to consider that could make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Stick around to the end, because I've got an exclusive extended free trial offer that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. First thing you'll need to do is head over to your Monday.com board. If you want to export data from one of your boards, you'll click on the three dots in the top right corner. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see the Export Board to Excel option. This is where the magic happens. It's that simple. But there are a couple of other details you might want to consider, so let's keep going. Next thing you'll want to know is that you can export data for specific views. If you have multiple views set up on your board, like Kanban, Gantt, or Table View, the export process will pull the data from whichever view you're currently on. This is great if you only need a subset of the data and you don't want to export everything all at once. Just make sure you're on the view that holds the data you need. The third thing to keep in mind is that if you need a more complex export, like exporting all your data across multiple boards, you'll need to use the Monday.com API. The API allows you to automate and extract data in bulk, but it does require some technical know-how. So if you're someone who doesn't want to spend time dealing with code or development, this might not be the easiest route for you. Now, if you're still sticking with Monday.com, you've probably noticed that the export options are pretty basic. For example, you can't directly export to CSV or PDF from within the platform, and the Excel export doesn't always handle large data sets well. This can be frustrating, especially if you're dealing with a lot of information or need it in a specific format. Keep that in mind as you move forward. But here's where it gets interesting. There's an alternative that might serve your needs better. If you need more robust export features and want a platform that's designed for simplicity, you should check out Insert Competitor Software. Not only does it allow you to easily export your data in multiple formats, but it also offers better organization and data handling tools, which Monday.com sometimes lacks. Plus, they have a free trial that's super easy to get started with. The fourth thing I want to mention is that while Monday.com offers some great features for project management, exporting your data the way you want it to be can feel a little clunky. For teams that deal with a lot of data and need faster, cleaner exports, this is something to be aware of. But if you're really committed to Monday.com, it still does the job if you're working with a smaller dataset or don't need too much customization in your exports. So, as I mentioned earlier, if you need better export features and a more tailored approach to organizing and managing your data, you'll want to check out Insert Competitor Software. Not only does it support exporting in more formats, but it's also much more user-friendly and intuitive than Monday.com for certain workflows. And remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In summary, while Monday.com is a powerful tool for project management, when it comes to exporting data, you might find that it's a little too limited for some teams. If you're looking for a more streamlined solution, Insert Competitor Software could be a game changer for you. Don't forget to grab the exclusive extended free trial using our link, along with all the benefits that come with it.